Hello everyone, this is Harry's Elevator Lover. Welcome to the Vine Center. This is the Convocation and Basketball Arena at Liberty University. That's just a look out over there. Let's go walk around. There's some interesting stuff in here. Let's just go for a walk. See what we find. Here at Liberty University in Lynchburg, Virginia. First time filming in here. Hope there aren't any people in here. Oh, great, there are people in here. Sounds like the athletes are in here. Doing their thing. I'll pass more exterior doors in a second. I'm pretty sure. Yep, there's that set of exterior doors. Which means our objective should be close. If I can get there. It doesn't sound good. Whatever. Hi, what are y'all doing?
Cleaning the floor right around here, so you can come this way. It's just a little wet, so be careful, okay?
I thought y'all were like working out or something.
No, we're just running a floor machine, so it's a little damp. So.
Oh, y'all are running a floor machine?
Yes, sir.
Oh, cool. Thanks. You too. Nice song. Oh, someone's got a good taste for music. So they have cleaning machines going. And here we are. Here are drink coolers. And if it's open, it is back here. It is interesting. Here is a look outside. One second. There's a balcony rail, staircase. Look outside. Well, that's not what I came here for, is it? Here we are. Oh, someone's coming inside, downstairs. Another ThyssenKrupp elevator, and it's here. Service elevator size. Let's go down. Got a fan on, sadly. Take it to 1. Do a 3-way trip. Actually, to cut this short, I'm going to go show you something, and then I'm going to just do a round trip and then down here. If I can make that work. Let me keep an eye on my time. I got 20 minutes to get to my classroom. Ha! Well, you hear basketball players practicing. sir.
You good?
Yes, sir. Thank you. That was close. All right. We are in the tunnel. And by that, I mean we are in the path that goes out to the basketball court, where they also have Convocation. At Liberty University in Lynchburg, Virginia. And, if I'm not mistaken, curtains open. And I think we're actually out on the court. Yep. There's you a look up. Let's a look around this huge room. Awesome, huh? This place is huge. Not huge in the way of coliseums, but it's a decent sized room. It's not a big, the biggest. It holds 13,000 people. A lot of coliseums, colleges, 19,000 is pretty big, 20 something. The Dean Dome at North Carolina is considered pretty big. I don't know if it actually has an elevator or not. This elevator is very modern. Sometimes the buildings aren't modern, the elevators are. Actually, all the elevators on campus are ThyssenKrupp. Let's see if I can keep this to one clip. That would be great. It's less work for me. Here we are back at the elevator, and one second. Are we back at the elevator? Yeah, I've got to make a judgment here. Huh. Now we're back at the elevator. Let's go up. The elevator's waiting on us. Do a run and trip. Let's go to 3. See if I can get you an indicator. It's up there somewhere. Oh, nice acceleration trip, listen. You can barely hear the motor. You can still hear it. I'm going to do a round trip and end up here. No, I'm actually going to end downstairs. They're working up there, I don't want to get caught. So, I'm going to end downstairs. There's basketball players down there. And then I'm going to rush to my class. Got class in about 14 minutes. Actually, I'm going to end here. And because we're stopping. And that's it.